Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is the part 2 of my cardboard Barrett M82. If you haven't seen part 1, then watch that first. So in this video I am gonna show you how to make stock, muzzle and scope. And there are free templates in description. So here is the gun's look. And this is magazine, and I don't have made a bullet, and this is the charging handle, and this is the side look, and it took me 2 months to make it. Now let's jump into the tutorial. First, make 2 pieces like this. This is gonna be the stock. Now glue them like this. And it should look something like this. Now grab this piece and glue it right here. Now stick this piece on top. It should look something like this. Now grab this piece and glue it right here. Now paste this part here. Now make these pieces for stock. These 2 pieces are 2 layers long. Now glue this piece right here. It should look something like this. Now paste this part on gun. Now make a paper tube. Now make this piece and stick it inside the tube. Now glue another tube like this. It should look something like this. Now make this piece. Now glue these pieces on this piece. You need to make another one like this. Now disassemble the gun. Now glue these pieces like this. It should look something like this. Now make this piece and glue this piece on top. And glue another like this. Now make a circular piece like this and glue it on this part. Now take this piece and paste it like this. Now you need to take another piece like this and paste it on top of this part. Now you need to take this tube that we made earlier. Make sure that it's 28 inch long. Now make a cut on top of this tube and glue this part here. It should look something like this. Now assemble the tube on this part. Please subscribe to this channel so I can hit 10,000 subscribers. If you want templates, you can download free templates from description. Now assemble the gun. It should look something like this. Now make a 19 cm long tube. Now roll 2.8 cm paper on this tube. It should look something like this. Now make this piece and make a circular piece. Now glue them on this tube like this. It should look something like this. Now make a small tube and glue this circular piece on top. Now make a paper strip and glue this strip on this piece. It should look something like this. Now glue them together. Now make a paper cone. Now make cuts on that cone. And make a tube like this. Now glue this cone like that. It should look something like this. Now roll a paper on that tube. It should look something like this. Now glue both of the tubes together. Now take this piece and glue that piece on this piece. Now take this scope and fit this piece into the scope. Now take a paper strip and roll it over the scope. It should look something like this. And fit it into the scope. Now take a white paper strip and roll it over the scope. It should look something like this. Now take a cutter and make some cuts on the corner like this. It should look something like this. For now, just fit it into the scope. Now make a cardboard strip like this. It is 1.5 centimeter wide. And glue it like this. Now take a cardboard strip and glue it on this tube. And glue one more like this. It should look something like this. Now make one more cardboard strip and fold it like this. Now glue this piece on this strip. It has to be look like this. Now take a scissor and cut it like this. Now make this piece and glue it like this. It should look something like this. Now make these small pieces and glue it like this. Now glue them together and make one more. Now make a cardboard strip like this. It has to be 21.5 inch long. And make one more strip like this. Now glue them together. Now take these small pieces and glue them like this. It has to be look like this. Now glue this strip on top of the gun. Now take this tube that we made earlier and glue this paper on this tube. And glue this circular piece also. It should look something like this. Now make the circular piece and glue it on top of this tube. Now assemble all the pieces. Make sure to subscribe this channel. And comment what gun you want next. And templates are free in description. And here is the final scope. Now assemble it on gun. And here is the final gun.